I can't believe one of our family was demonetized by YouTube for having a duplicate AdSense account, and they told him he has to close the duplicate or existing AdSense account before he can be able to monetize his YouTube channel. And this took months, several months. He was losing revenue. Let me explain. A few weeks ago, one of our family here reached out to me and told me he was demonetized. He was not earning from YouTube for months because YouTube AdSense kept on telling him that he had a duplicate or existing AdSense account and he needs to close it and fix the issue before he can continue earning on YouTube. And the crazy part about this is that he didn't have any duplicate or existing AdSense account. So he told me that he could not monetize his channel because he was stuck at the second step verification on YouTube. You know, if you want to apply for YouTube, they have 3 steps. The first step is where you have to agree to the agreement of YouTube, and the second step is where you have to attach your AdSense account to your YouTube channel, and the last step is where YouTube reviews your channel to check if it follows all the community guidelines before accepting you into the YouTube partner program. So he was stuck at the second step, which is linking his YouTube AdSense account to his YouTube channel account. So he reached out to me via mail and told me that he has been having this issue. So I went further to help him fix this issue. The first step we tried was creating a new AdSense account, and we tried to link that AdSense account to his YouTube channel, but they told him that he already has an existing AdSense account, that he has to close that AdSense account first. So when we closed the first AdSense account, the YouTube channel was showing your AdSense account has been closed. You have to reactivate it and fix the issue before you can continue earning on YouTube. So we had to close the new AdSense account and reactivate the old AdSense account. So while we closed the new AdSense account and reactivated the old AdSense account, there was still another issue, because after we clicked on resubmit, they were still telling us that his AdSense had an issue and he had to fix that issue before he can be able to monetize his YouTube channel. So we tried all our possible best to close his payment account, but still the same issue was occurring. It was telling us that he had a duplicate or existing AdSense account. So I asked him if he had any other AdSense account. He told me it was just his first time creating an AdSense account. So what we did is that I told him that he should give me access to his YouTube channel, and his channel, he had over 40,000 subscribers, but I was glad he was able to trust me with his YouTube channel. So he gave me access to his YouTube channel, and I connected his YouTube channel to one of my monetized YouTube channel. So I was left with 2 choices here. The first choice was to change his address. I felt that his address was matching with someone else's address, so YouTube or AdSense kept on thinking he was linked to that person's address and he had 2 different AdSense accounts. So what I did is that I connected the YouTube channel to my own monetized YouTube channel. So when I connected the YouTube channel to my monetized YouTube channel, I now contacted one of the YouTube support. So I had a friend in YouTube support, so I contacted him. His name was Martin. So I told him about the issue. At first, he was giving me a generic reply that maybe I have an issue with my AdSense account, maybe I have duplicate accounts or existing AdSense accounts. But I told him that I don't have any duplicate account, I don't have any existing AdSense account. But he kept on trying to twist, you know how YouTube support normally do. But I insisted that I should check the particular situation because I know that there is no duplicate account on my own end. So he agreed, and he told me he was going to forward it to the internal team, that they were going to see what they were going to do for me. So a few days later, I checked the end page in the YouTube channel and I saw it was showing in progress. After 2 days, it got completed. It was showing tick. After it showed tick, I was like, it's like he has fixed the issue with the AdSense account. And I waited just 24 hours and I got the message that congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. So I was wondering that why would YouTube know that this issue was not from him and they were just allowing his ad revenue to just waste just like that. They demonetized his channel knowing he was not at fault. So I was feeling that as if YouTube had a hand in this particular issue, because he was getting massive amount of views. He was averaging around 115,000 views every 48 hours on that channel, and I was very shocked that his channel was not monetized. When he showed me his end page, it was showing your AdSense account has a duplicate or existing AdSense account and you need to fix this particular issue. So I was like, why will YouTube actually do something like this to somebody? And they know that it's very important for him to connect his AdSense account to his YouTube channel for him to earn on YouTube. So at last, I was very happy that he was able to fix this issue. I was able to help him fix this issue, and thank you to Maxine in the YouTube support for helping me fix this particular issue, because without his help, I'm not sure that particular channel would have been monetized by now, and he would have just been wasting a lot of revenue. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.